Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to loop through an array in JavaScript. So we have the array and we are going to loop through it. So how we are going to do that, we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So there are three methods we can loop through an array in JavaScript. First one is for loop, second one is for off loop, and the third one is for each loop, right? So these three methods we are going to use in the JavaScript for looping through an array. So here we have an array, then you can see that I'm just using the for loop to iterate it. So checking the array dot length, then iterated one. This is the first one. Okay, next we have a for of loop, then we have a, you can see that the for off loop. Okay, so here this is the thing for, this is the array that we, on which we are going to iterate with the element. Okay, so it will print that all elements we have. Then the most usable, that is for each loop. Okay, array dot for each, here we are just passing the function and consoling all the elements what we have in that array. Okay, let's save this and print this one, how it exactly works. So here we go with this one, reload this tab, and arrays has been already declared. Okay, so step by step, so we are going to just comment this part. Okay, and save this and go and just check. So 1 2 3 4 5, each one element. Okay, and let's uncomment this one and comment the previous one. Okay, so here we are going to comment this one. Okay, not going to define multiple times of this const array. Okay, then we are going to just use this one, and now you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, right? So this is how we are going to loop through an array in JavaScript. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Very easy. So whenever you have a requirement like I want to loop through an array in JavaScript, you can use three of them and make your code of the looping in this way. Okay, any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.